Welcome, dear children. Class 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 4, Angles and Pairs of Angles, Part 2. Now, this is the second part of your chapter. So, today we will see what is complementary angles. Now, let's see what is complementary angles. Now, whenever the sum of two angles is 90 degree, that angles are known as your complementary angle. Now here angle ABC is given 60 degree and a measure of angle DEF is given 30 degree. So if you will add 60 with 30, what you will get? You will get that is 90. So keep in mind, whenever the measure of two angle, the sum of two angle is 90 degree, it means that it is your complementary angles. Clear? Understood everyone? So here also angle ABC and angle DEF is your complementary angle. Now let's see the practice set 16. Question number 1. The measure of some angles are given below. Write the measure of their complementary angle. So see, here what you have to do, here you have to find out the complementary angle. Now here measure of one angle is given, you have to find out the measure of the other complementary angle. So let's see how you will find out that. Now first one, it is given 40 degree. Now here you have to find out the pair of complementary angle of 40 degree. So see how you will going to find out that. Now here we don't know the pair of your a complementary angle. So here we will assume the another pair of complementary angle, that is A. Clear? One angle, complementary angle is given, that is of 40. Another you have to take as your A. We don't know, so we will take A. Now how you will make your equation? You will take that 40, you will take A, and you will take 90. From where you have taken 90, the sum of the complementary angle is 90 degree. So what you will do? 40 plus A is equal to 90 is your equation. Now what you will do? How you will do the calculation? Now this 40 you will take on the right hand side. So addition will become subtraction. So 90 minus 40. What you will get? You will get 50. So what is the another pair of complementary angle with 40? That is 50. So here one angle is of 40 degree, another angle is of 50 degree. So 40 plus 50, what you will get? You will get that is 90. Clear? Understood? So here the another pair of complementary angle is of 50 degree. Clear how you will do? Now let's see the another one, that is x degree. Now here the measure of one complementary angle is given, that is x. You have to find out the another complementary angle. So how you will going to find out? Again the another pair we don't know. So what you will take? You will take as your A. You can take any alphabet, you can assume any alphabet. Clear? So what will be your equation? X plus A is equal to 90 degree. Now how you will do the calculation? That x you will take on the right hand side. So addition will become subtraction. So 90 degree minus x, what you will get? Can you subtract x from 90? No. So your answer will be 90 minus x degree. So which is the another pair of your complementary angle with x degree? That is 90 minus x degree. Clear? So like this you have to find out the another pair of your complementary angle. Now let's see question number 2. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measure of complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. Now what is given here? Here the measure of the two complementary angle is given. Is the exact measure is given? No. Here in that measure in the complementary angle, your variable is there. So what you will do, you have to find out the exact measure. Exact measure is not given. So here first we will find out the value of y, and then we will find out the exact measure of your complementary angle. So see how you will going to find out. So see, sum of the, first we have to write down the statement, that is sum of the two complementary angles is 90 degree. Clear? Then you have to make an equation. You have to take the pairs of both the complementary angle, that is y minus 20 degree plus y plus 30 degree is equal to 90. Now in the next step you will open the bracket. Now in the next step what you will do, you will write down the like terms together. Clear? And the coefficient together. So here your like term is y. So y plus y. And you will write down the coefficient together, that is minus 20 and plus 30. Clear? Is equal to 90 will come as it is. Now what you will do, you will add and subtract your variable and your coefficient. So y plus y, what you will get? You will get 2y. Now minus 20 and plus 30. Minus plus will be minus. So 30 minus 20, what you will get? You will get 10. Now which sign you will give to the 10? Which number is bigger, 20 or 30? 30 is bigger, and 30 having the sign of plus. So that is why we will write down there plus 10 is equal to 90. Now what you will do, that 10 you have to take on the right hand side. Understood? So if you will take that 10 on the right hand side, so addition will become subtraction. So from 90 you have to subtract 10, you will get 80. Understood? Now that 2y is equal to 80. Now how you will going to solve this equation? Now first tell me, between 2 and y which sign is there? Between 2 and y multiplication sign is there. So from this 2y you have to take 2 on the right hand side. So multiplication will become division, that is 80 divided by 2. Clear? So if you will divide 80 with 2, what you will get? You will get, that is 40. So what we have done here, we had to find out the value of y. Now we will find out the exact measure of your complementary angle, that is y minus 20. First measure is given y minus 20. Now we had to find out the value of y. So in the place of y we will take that value. So that is 40 minus 20 degree is equal to 20 degree. 40 minus 20, what you will get? You will get, that is 20. Now second measure is given, that is y plus 30 degree. So in the place of y, what you will take? You will take 40. So 40 plus 30, what you will get? 40 plus 30, you will get 70. So what is the measure of your complementary angle? That is 20 and 70. Understood how you will do, everyone? Thank you.